everybody, this side Vishal Singh from iSolutions, and this is our A3 portable visualizer, and the model number is ISR132. Let's talk about this visualizer. So you can see, you can adjust the head of this visualizer according to your perspectives, and you get the color with the white and black. And you can see some buttons are available, and this is a iSolutions branding visualizer. So here are some control buttons which can be used when you are using it with the software. Like first is rotation one and zoom out one, autofocus, zooming, and the capture button and the brightness option. So let's move into the software part. So we have just connected our visualizer to the laptop and given the display to the interactive panel. You can see on a big screen. So for using this visualizer, you just need to connect the USB, and I'm just opening the software. With the name of the software is Visual Camera, and now you just have to adjust this head. As I have told you, this is a portable. You can adjust this head according to your perspectives, and after that, here are some shortcuts you may see on the big screen. I'm doing with the laptop. So basically, first of all, you will get the annotation option. On the page, you can annotate, and you can see I have just put the paper on the surface, and I'm just doing the annotation part. You can see the paper is put in on the surface. I'm doing the annotation. It is indicating on the real time. And after that, you will get a line drawn option. You can draw any line. There is an arrow option. You must see that. And this is a clear option. After that, here you will get a pre-designed option, which is auto-corrected. And again, there is a fill shape option which you can see right now on the screen. Here is a folder option. Folder option basically used for when you are just saving something which you are showing on the screen. Basically, there is an option of pre-designed color shape. You can see if I have just draw it and it will be drawn. Here is the folder option which I am going to opening, and you can see the screenshot which I have captured. It's saving here, and I am closing this. After that, you will get an option of setting by which you can just set the parameter of the visualizer according to your perspective into JPG and any format. And I am going to do it onto the 1:1, and it will be auto detected the path of 1:1 area. And this is a full screen. You can see full view of the visualizer, and this visualizer comes with a 13 megapixel. You can zoom it according to your perspectives. You can see the quality for this. You can rotate the paper also digitally without moving the page. And this is a split screen option. You can see the first screen is splitted into the first one, and the second you can see the images moving at a real time. After that, you can rotate it into the 360. Then here is a capture button. If you just click on the capture button, so it will be capturing the image, and you can see it on the folder. This is a USB camera properties, as you can see in the front of you. USB camera properties, you can just set the brightness according to your perspective. If you just increase the brightness, you can see the image quality is brightness increasing. And I'm decreasing it, doing it normal. If you just click onto the default, it will be go to the default setting. After that, there is a contrast option. You can also set it contrast according to your perspective. If you want to set it, saturation can be set. I am just clicking onto the apply, so the parameters which you have applied will be set. After that, you will get the option of freeze. Here is the option of freeze. You can see I have just clicked onto the option of freeze, and now I am moving the paper. The paper is on my hand right now, and it is stabilized. It is freezed onto the screen. Now you can see I have just unfreezed and I am moving the paper. It is showing at the real time. After that, you will get the option of spotlight, the area whichever you want to spot. You can spot according to your perspectives the main parts which are written over the paper. You can just show. You just have to click on this. This is a negative option. You just need to zoom in and you can see the particles of the page. You can see the small particles of the page in front of you. After that, going back to this options, here are some options you will get with this: contrast, record and PPT. If I just click onto the record option, then you have to download this screen snap option. If you want to record, so if you want to record anything, whichever the activity you are doing with the page, so you just need to click over the record option and it will be recorded, whichever the activity you are doing on the page. And after that, you will get a camera option. This is a desktop option which you will be led to the desktop option again. So if you want to record anything, whichever the activity you are doing on the page, so basically you can just click onto the record option and it will be recorded automatically with a voice. You can see there are some control panels option. You can see here is the option of rotate. So if I am just clicking onto the rotate, you can see I am not moving the page from the table, and it is on the big screen. You can see the page is moving according to my choice, and I'm just decreasing the size of this page, and you can see it is decreasing the size from the lens, increasing the size, and here's the option of autofocus. If you just click onto the autofocus, so it will be auto redirect the quality of the page into the similar. And there's an option of brightness. If you just click onto the brightness option, so the light will be bulb into this blue, you can see, and this is a capture option. If you just click, you can listen the sound of the clicking. So the image is capturing, and the image whichever you are capturing, you want to display on the screen. You just need to go through the folder one. You can see here is so many images are being captured. If I just click onto this, you can see the quality of the image which is being captured. You can do any type of annotation part here also. Also by clicking here are many types of resolution whichever you want to set. 1080p, 1920p and 4K you can also set it. The resolution part I will be showing. And now we are going to talking about the accessories which you will get with this portable visualizer IS-R132. And first thing, you will get the pen drive of the software which you can insert into the laptop and you can download the software. And there is a manual, a mini manual which you can read and understand and then use the software according to your perspectives. So now talking about the ports for this. First of all, this visualizer is plug and play. You can see you just insert a type C which you will get with the visualizer, portable visualizer, to the laptop and you can use it easily. And this is the port USB 1, USB 2, and this is a power adapter which you need to connect with this visualizer for giving the power. So these were the detailings for this product, and thanks for watching this video.